What's up guys, it's Thomas from the Barbershop directory and thanks for tuning in. One of the most common topics that comes up in the barbershop is fragrance, how you smell. And since it's getting colder outside, I wanted to give you guys some great options for fall fragrances. So I have one of my longtime clients, D'Angelo. I just finished giving him a haircut and I consider him a fragrance guru. He really put me onto a lot of fragrances. So I'm gonna let him show you some different options. And these are fragrances all the way from $30 to upwards of $200 to $300. So there's something for any budget. Now I know this channel is mainly focused around haircut tutorials. However, I've done hundreds of haircut tutorials on this channel. So if you guys want to see other things on barbershop related topics, just drop a comment below. I just want to keep the channel fresh, so you guys giving me feedback will really help out. But without further ado, I'm gonna let D'Angelo take the video over and then he'll tell you more about these fragrances.
Alright, so in my hand I have Insurrection Wild for him. The main notes of this is peppermint, bergamot, and vanilla, and this costs $28. Alright, right here I have Invictus Intense by Paco Rabanne.
Yeah.
Notes of apple, pepper, and patchouli. And this right here is a good day-night fragrance and great for the fall. This right here cost me about $80. Here in my hand I have Kalina Herrera Bad Boy. And this is a good day-night fragrance, good for the fall, and this costs $85. So here in my hand I have Replica by Maison Margiela, and this is a unisex fragrance, and it smells like coffee, chocolate, and vanilla, and this costs about $110. Right here I have Tom Ford Metallic, and this is a unisex fragrance, and this costs about $130. From the House of Mansara, we have Jordan Exclusive, and this is a unisex fragrance and it's good for year-round, day or night. Have notes of floral, white floral, and this costs about $180. Here I have from the House of Bond Number 9, this is New Bond Street. This is a unisex fragrance, have good projection and will last over 10 hours. Here I have MFK Grand Soir. This sounds like I went to a bar, like I'm in Manhattan somewhere. Here I have by the House of Tom Ford Tobacco Vanilla. This is a vanilla fragrance, hints of tobacco. This fragrance costs about $400.
And one more thing before we wrap this video up. Make it a priority to get to know your clients and build a relationship with them. Don't just treat them like a transaction. You never know the people that sit in your chair every week or every other week, how they can impact your life. So just think about that. If you like this type of content, be sure to hit that like button as well as the subscribe button. And also you can find all of these fragrances mentioned in this video by clicking the link below to the Barbershop directory Amazon store. Thanks for watching.